Guys, we're gonna play a fun little game called What's the Recipe? I want you guys to go deep in your imagination and think about what is the actual recipe for the following foods. You got it?
No. No.
Great, this is gonna go swimmingly. It's your boy Yoni, and I'm here in New York City quizzing people about their food knowledge for Food Network. So come on, do you even food?
Yes.
Oh, do you even food? So the first one is mac and cheese.
Noodles, and then you like boil water, and then you like put the noodles in with the cheese on it.
5 things you would never eat. Go.
Liver, snails, okra, snails, cat brains, squid. No, I like squid.
Sorry.
Oh, we love squid. Squid's so good. Cotton candy.
No, it isn't full.
What are you throwing in the bowl?
You like to get a cloud from the sky, and then you put flavor in it.
Probably got a good deal on clouds at Whole Foods, right?
I don't go grocery shopping, my mom does.
I'm going to give you an item, and you need to tell me if you would eat it, marry it, or deep fry it. Ice cream.
Eat.
Raw chicken.
Deep fry.
The love of your life.
Marry.
Me. What is it? What was that face? Guys, how is your spelling when it comes to food?
Very good. Average.
The winner of this spelling bee gets 20 US American green bucks. Your first word is bruschetta.
B-R-U-S-C-H-E-T-T-A.
Correct! Yeah, this might help. We're gonna put an image of bruschetta right here.
Okay.
All right.
You're gonna get ham.
H-A-M.
B-R-U-C-E-T-T-A.
That's incorrect. Did you guys not look at the picture? Salt.
Salt, just like normal salt. S-A-L-T, salt.
Tzatziki.
T-Z-C-E-K-K-I.
KK9. Butter.
B-U-T-T-E-R.
Correct.
Something's wrong here.
Foie gras. Foie gras. Charcuterie. F-U-G-U-A?
What I would say.
That's what you would say. That's what you would say. But that's not what this card says. You're wrong.
S-C-H-A-R-Q-U-E-T-R-Y.
Your word is. What was that?
I said it was gonna be an easy one.
Well, soup. Tortilla.
Do you use it in a sentence?
Where is the tortilla?
Oh, okay. T-O-R-T-I-L-L-A.
S-O-U-P.
She did it. She won. I'm Yoni Lotan, and this is Do You Even Food? Do you even food?
Yes! Yes! Woo!
No, answer the question. Do you even food?